When I'm told that my culture doesn't matter, I basically want to say, they can get I'm going through a big thing with managing my emotion, listening to my body. I'm quite obsessed with it these days.
I tend to disassociate quite a bit before gigs.
Because there's a lot of stuff going on, there's a lot of energies. Just getting used to acknowledging how I'm feeling in those spaces. Ko mā te ingoa, heri tēnei no Ngāti Porou, Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāti Raukawa me Tūhoe. Engari kei te whanganui atara ahau I te Pūhā.
Yo, fucking crazy, man. Straight up.
What's happening at the moment within the government, it's just Pūhā, and it's in the way of us actually being able to evolve.
Do we start now?
And I guess this is my little way of contributing to all the whawhai that's happening at the moment. Tēnā tātou. I just want to briefly touch on the WAIATA a little bit. So Pūhā me te Porohewa, Pūhā the kai, Porohewa bōled. The kaupapa is taumaha. I wanted this WAIATA to be a safe outlet for our people to be riri, to be angry, to be frustrated, to create a song where people can express all of those feelings. Kia ngata ai, taku hia kai. Pūhā, me te Porohewa, poroa te kaki whero, kia rono atu ai ki te kōhua.
If you're struggling with the high notes, lift these muscles,
Okay.
but it'll help you lift your...
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. It's making our people tired, and it's really hard to see because we're trying so hard to stay resilient, be the better person, trying my best to live by my name. As Maarire means peacefulness, and just trying to be more like that. I don't want to. I just want to kick off all the time. But it's not that cool, and people don't want to be around it. So learning how to find safe ways to express that, because I don't think those feelings should be ignored. I don't think they should be suffocated or anything, otherwise that's when big things happen. So finding safe places and safe ways to feel those is super important, and it's definitely what's getting me through this year at the moment. And for us, iwi take take, nai Māori, I guess it's a bit of a reminder that that kind of behaviour still exists. They need to try harder to get rid of us and to tell us that we aren't important. I ain't gonna stay silent. This is definitely a time to stand up. This is definitely a time to speak up. Tokai e, tokai e, anake hoki tokai e. Waira, 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 kawaii. Wako natu natu ya, kia rono ai, koe te tawara o tōroke. Toko toru a paitini, kai tō, kai kiri, kai a te kuri. Toko toru a paitini, kai tō. The things that I'm learning is that there needs to be a resolution. You can't just complain. At the end of the day, it's just bringing us all together, so I don't know what they're up to, it's just making us stronger. So.